Stop. Just stop doing this, because right now, without even realizing it, you might be slowly destroying your entire garden. You think you're helping your plants, you water them, you care for them, you try to do everything right. But what if I told you that one simple thing you're doing every day is actually the reason your plants stay weak, stop growing, or suddenly start dying for no clear reason? And here's what makes it worse. Almost every beginner does this. It feels right. It looks like proper care. And that's exactly why it's so dangerous. Because you don't question it. You just keep doing it again and again while your plants quietly suffer. Yellow leaves, slow growth, plants that never reach their full size. This isn't bad luck. This is a hidden mistake. And if you don't fix it now, it doesn't matter how much effort you put in, your results will never change. But once you see this, you won't be able to ignore it again. For a long time, I couldn't understand what was going wrong in my garden. Everything looked fine on the surface. I was watering regularly, giving my plants sunlight, even checking on them every single day like I was supposed to. And for a while, it felt like I was doing everything right. But then, slowly, things started changing. Growth became slower. Leaves didn't look as healthy. Some plants just stopped improving at all. And this is where it gets frustrating, because nothing is clearly wrong. Your plants aren't completely dying, but they're not thriving either. So what do? You try harder. You water more, thinking maybe they're thirsty. You move them around, hoping a different spot will help. You start adjusting things again and again, trying to fix something you can't even fully understand. And this is where most beginners get stuck, because it feels like you're doing more work, but getting worse results. And without realizing it, you fall into a pattern, reacting to every small change, making random decisions, and slowly creating more stress for the plant instead of helping it grow. That's exactly where I was, confused, frustrated, and constantly wondering why nothing was working the way it should. And then I realized something that completely changed everything. The problem wasn't what I wasn't doing. It was what I kept doing without thinking. One simple habit, something so normal, so common, that I never questioned it. And that's exactly why it was so dangerous. Because when something feels right, you repeat it without stopping. But here's the truth. This one mistake slowly builds up damage over time. You don't notice it immediately. Your plants don't die overnight. Instead, they weaken little by little until one day, growth just stops. And by then, it feels like it happened for no reason. But it didn't. It was happening all along. And here's the scary part. Almost every beginner does this exact same thing. Miss this, and your garden will never reach its full potential, no matter how much effort you put in. But once you see it, once you understand what's really going on, everything starts to make sense. And the moment you fix this one habit, that's when your entire garden starts to change. So here's the mistake that's secretly killing your garden. Watering your plants too frequently, without understanding what the soil actually needs. It sounds harmless, right? In fact, it feels like the right thing to do. You see dry soil on top, you think your plant is thirsty, and you water it again. Simple, logical. But here's the problem. The surface lies. The top layer of soil dries out quickly because of air and sunlight. But just a little deeper, the soil can still be holding moisture. And this is where everything starts going wrong. Because every time you water based on what you see instead of what's actually happening underneath, you slowly damage your plant without realizing it. And this is where it gets worse. When soil stays constantly wet, the roots don't get oxygen. They literally struggle to breathe. And weak roots mean weak plants. That's why your plants look okay for a while, but never truly grow strong. That's why leaves start turning yellow, growth slows down, and everything feels stuck. Not because your plant needs more care, but because it's getting too much of the wrong care. And here's something most people never think about. Roots are the foundation of everything. You don't see them, so you ignore them, but they control how fast your plant grows, how strong it becomes, and how well it survives. And when you keep the soil constantly wet, roots stop expanding. They stay shallow. They become lazy. And this is where the real damage happens, because a plant with weak roots can never grow fast, no matter what else you do. Now this is where everything changed for me. I stopped watering on habit and started watering based on actual need. Instead of looking at the surface, I pushed my finger into the soil, about 1 to 2 inches deep, and checked the moisture properly. If it still felt even slightly damp, I didn't water. I waited, even if the top looked completely dry. And honestly, at first, it felt uncomfortable. It felt like I was neglecting my plants, like I wasn't doing enough. That urge to water was always there, but I forced myself to trust the process. And then something surprising happened. Within a few days, the soil started to balance itself. It wasn't constantly wet anymore. It had a natural rhythm. Wet, then slowly drying out, then wet again. And this cycle is exactly what roots need to grow stronger. Within a week, I noticed small changes. Leaves looked firmer, the plant didn't look stressed anymore. But here's where it really got interesting. After a couple of weeks, growth actually increased. New leaves started appearing faster. The plant looked more alive, more active. And I hadn't added anything new. No fertilizer, no special treatment. Just one simple change. But here's the problem. Most people will still go back to overwatering because doing less feels wrong. We think more effort equals better results. More water, more care, more attention. But in gardening, that mindset can actually destroy your progress. Sometimes, the best thing you can do for your plant is to stop interfering. And this is where it gets even more powerful. When you water correctly, you don't just fix one problem, you fix multiple problems at once. The roots get oxygen. The soil becomes balanced. The plant becomes stronger, healthier, more resistant. And most importantly, it starts growing the way it's supposed to grow, naturally, without force. Let me make this even clearer. Imagine two identical plants. Same type, same pot, same sunlight. One is watered every day because the surface looks dry. The other is watered only when the deeper soil actually dries out. After a few weeks, the difference becomes obvious. One plant looks weak, slow, slightly yellow. The other looks greener, stronger, and growing faster. And the only difference is one small habit. That's how powerful this is. And once you understand this, something shifts in your mindset. You stop reacting to what you see on the surface and start understanding what's happening underneath. You stop guessing and start controlling the process. And that's the moment gardening becomes simple. Because now, you're not just watering your plants, you're actually helping them grow the right way. And now imagine this. Just a few weeks ago, your garden felt stuck. You were putting in effort every single day, watering, checking, adjusting, but nothing really changed. Plants looked weak, growth was slow, and deep down, it felt like you were doing something wrong but couldn't figure out what. It was frustrating. Almost like no matter how much you tried, the results just weren't there. But now, everything starts to shift. Your plants don't just survive, they actually grow. You begin to notice small changes first, leaves looking healthier, stems feeling stronger. Then suddenly, growth becomes visible. New leaves appear faster, plants look fuller, more alive. And the craziest part? You're doing less than before. No constant watering, no overthinking, no panic decisions. Just simple, controlled care. And that's where the real transformation happens. Not just in your garden, but in you. You stop feeling confused. You stop second-guessing every step. Instead, you feel confident. You understand what your plants need, and more importantly, what they don't. And once you reach this point, gardening stops feeling complicated and starts feeling natural, almost effortless. You go from hoping your garden will grow to knowing it will. And that's the moment everything changes. Because now you're not just taking care of plants, you're growing a healthy, thriving garden on purpose. If you made it this far, you're already ahead of 90% of beginners. Because now you understand the one mistake that silently destroys most gardens. But here's the truth. Watching this won't change anything unless you actually apply it. So here's what I want you to do. Next time you go to water your plants, stop. Don't rush. Check the soil properly. Go deeper, not just the surface. And if it's still moist, don't water. Just wait. That one small decision can completely change your results. And once you see that first sign of real growth, everything will start to click. You'll stop guessing, stop overthinking, and start growing your garden with confidence. And if you're serious about growing your own food at home, make sure you subscribe, because in the next video, I'm going to show you another simple method that can double your plant growth even faster, something most beginners completely ignore. And trust me, once you see that, you'll never go back to your old habits again.